throw in a disclaimer that the title may say Black History Month inspired, but baby, we celebrate Black History all year round. Okay? Give it the program. Give it the program. We don't have 1 month of Black History, baby. Black History is prevailing every freaking month, 24/7, 365. Don't get it twisted.
Got you a dime piece, man. One of the Beyonce making good types, man. Is that true, man? I just want to know. I mean, shit, to be honest with you, man, she's a
bad things, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god. That's my baby, Caroline, you divine, mighty fine. Shorty really blow the pine, like a pole.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another affordable wig review. I think I'm going to start doing a series of these because, like, why not? Like, you know, I'm all about finding affordable, cute, bomb hair. So let me know. Thumbs up this video if you think I should like make this a series, because my last few videos have been very affordable bomb hair, so I think I should make it a series. But moving on, so today's video we are going to slay a super curly synthetic wig. So I've never done a curly synthetic wig like this curly. I have like a wavy looking wig, but this wig is super duper duper curly. And so this wig is from Divatress, and if you want to know all the information about Divatress in this wig, it will all be in the description box below. You guys know the drill. So this wig is called It's a Wig. It's a wig. It's called It's a Wig. It's just called It's a Wig. And this is in the style Misha, and it's in the color 1. So all of that will be in the description box below for you guys to go check that out. And you know, I post all the links and stuff like that. This is in the color 1. If you guys can see her, isn't she so freaking cute? She looks like a poodle. She looks like a poodle. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm just going to slay her because this is actually a wig with bangs. And it says that you can heat this wig up, but I personally would not flat iron this wig under any circumstances. Like, if you get a synthetic wig like this, you might as well just keep it curly. So as you guys can see, I can't even see you guys. What do you mean as I can see? As I can see, which is I can't see. This wig is super freaking cute, guys. As you guys can see, the bang is here. So this is the bang. However, it's way too long, so I'm going to have to cut the bang. And also, like, the shape of it is not giving me absolute life, so I'm going to have to shape it as well. This is the bang, and like the way the wig is so curly, you can't really see where it starts and stops. And just basic construction on the wig. If I'm not mistaken, it has no combs. And it's pretty snug, but I would be kind of afraid to wear this out. I'm not going to lie to you, because just for the sake of it not having combs, and somebody could just be like, oh my gosh, I love your hair. What is going on? So, I feel like... Alright, let me put this back on. I feel like the security is not there, but you can most definitely put... What are those things called? You can most definitely sew in clips. So they do sell like clips separately at the beauty supply store, or like the combs, not clips. They do sell combs separately at the beauty supply store. You could just sew them in if you really, really, really want to rock this wig. But I feel like this wig is super cute, and I feel like once I slay this, ain't nobody going to be able to tell me nothing. So let's get into the slayish parts of the video. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video, and this is how the wig looks after I customize everything. So I did kind of step away from the camera just a little bit because I needed to really go in front of a real mirror just to see how I can really frame it to my face as best as I could. And I feel like I did okay for my first time. I'm not a pro by any means to customize any of this. So I just like go with the flow, honestly. And I feel like anybody can go with the flow with this wig because it's curly, and it's with curly wigs, you really can't mess up. That's like the good part about curly hair is like even if you mess up, you won't be able to tell. This is my first time doing curly. This is my first time actually stepping out my comfort zone. I don't know how I like it, but I feel like this unit in general is a very cute, beautiful unit. Like I really actually love the way it looks, but I don't know how it looks on me, if that makes sense. If you're thinking about something that's fast, that's easy to put on, you don't have to think much about it, then this is definitely the unit for you. If you've been looking for that really cute bomb curly unit, this is definitely it. You don't have to use no Got2b glue, none of that, mainly because it has a bang, so you can't really see, well, you can't see the hairline at all because of the bang, so you don't even have to think twice. You can just pop it on and just go. You might want to put in some combs. You might want to sew in some combs onto the wig so you know for sure that you're secured, because again, I personally would not step out the house. I just personally would not step out of the house with this unit not having any combs, because it's snug, but it's like one of those snugs that like if you move in the wrong direction, the whole thing will just and come off. So because it being snug, I would kind of say that it's not big head girl friendly, but then again it is, because I have a big head and I still have like room back here. So the thing is, like, it stretches really good. Like it has an elastic stretch to it, and your wig, you will be able to actually fit into your wig, but like to the point where like it's still a little bit like, I don't know how to explain it. Like it's big head girl friendly because it stretches, but then again, like once it stretches and it suctions, it's there, like you're not moving, but it doesn't like suction to the point where like you get a headache suction. It's just like, okay, I can feel it, it's snug, it's on my head. So I hope that kind of made sense. Like I really hope that made sense. But again, this is like a really easy unit. Just put it on and go. You don't have to worry about letting your baby hairs down. You don't have to worry about doing none of that nonsense. Once you cut it to like where you need it to be, you're done with that unit. If it gets tangly and matted, because you know curly hair can do that, you can just cut that off and just keep rocking it shorter and shorter, and I feel like it'll still look good. So that's pretty much it about this unit. They do have different colors. They have like a really cute purple, dark purple color, and I wanted to get it, but I wanted to make sure that I liked the unit in my natural color first. So this is color 1. I think they have 1B. I'll like put all of that in the information, or like all of that in the description box below, so you guys can actually click on the link and see colors that you like. But I believe this wig is really cheap as well. Let me look and see how much it costs. Yeah, it's $26.95. So I feel like for $25 or $26 or $27, however you want to round it, or $30 technically, I feel like this wig is really, really nice. I would recommend to get this wig if you're looking for like that curly natural hair. And like the curl pattern is super cute. It's like a really spirally type curl. Can you guys see that? So that's the curl pattern. And like, of course, you can like comb it out so it can get a little bit more frizzy or natural looking. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope that I inspired you guys to get this unit. If you want me again to make this a series, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also, don't forget to check Diva Trust out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.